So trying to do a dance move na I just don't wanna forget this move na naisipan ko lang ngayon. So in relation to COVID-19, paano tayo mag-ingat lalo ng mga doktor. You second this one, but naisipan ko lang yung certain move, hugas ng kamay, no? Remind us na maghugas ng kamay. So proper way to do this, ginawan lang ng moves, no? And yeah, don't forget the thumb, and yeah, move ka nitong pam 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 pam. So yung back of the hand, and hugas and butik, no? Usually, mga doktor laging nakataas yan para hindi na makontaminate, no? And you pick your, your mask. Wear your mask. Yes. Wear your mask. And yung ginagawa natin is wear your mask and avoid. Keep distance, and pabakuna, importante, no? Pabakuna, and pabakuna, remember when you cough, cover your mouth, in order to avoid the spread, and hope God, pray, and hope God that we pray, and most of all we pray to end this pandemic. Thank you. Okay. So contemplation on movement through dance. Bali, sinasaloob lang natin yung mga necessary things to remember, especially this period of pandemic. And most of all, very important, we try to wash our hands. Don't forget to clean it, and putting some beautiful movements through that so that we'll remember it. Don't forget the thumb, and try to clean those area, and pam 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 with it. And usually, yeah, yung doctors is laging nakaganyan yan. Pick up your your mask. Wear the mask, no? Wear your mask and try to keep distance, either to the side, 1 meter and 1 meter there, and most of all, magpa-bakuna, no? Remember to cover your mouth when you cough up, and always, again, keep distance, and most of all, pray, no? Most of all, pray para to end this pandemic. Please be reminded. Thank you. Please always be reminded. Thank you. Okay? That's it.